Hey there everybody, Troublemaker Bricks here with a new video. So I give you a layout of what's going on and let me know what you think I should do with this city layout. So to begin with, we're going to do this. And we're going to do this. And let me know what you think of this layout. Let me go up closer. There. But as you can see here, I have my modulars up on, raised up off the floor and making a tunnel for the train. Let me know what you think I should do, what I should build. I'm thinking about putting an apartment building there, and I'm thinking about doing another raised level here and having it go all, a third train going all the way around one big loop, about maybe 5-6 feet long, 3 feet wide. But let me give you a little bit of the brick bank is down there, right there. Then apartment building there or something. Then you got the diner there. You got the assembly square there. So I'm thinking about moving this here in the middle and then building other modulars in its place. But let's go look on the other side if I don't trip over the cord. If you have any ideas, let me know in the comments section below. I do have 2 more trains I can use. They're the passenger trains, the orange ones. So let me know what you think, because I really like to hear your input on this. I hope you can hear me over the trains, but we'll just stop it for right there. And we'll stop there. That's quieter. Anyways, if you couldn't hear me before, this is my layout so far. And like I said earlier, I would like to put a third track up and around here, around the same height as these here, maybe a slightly bigger. I mean, not bigger, but taller. And so yeah. So I'm going to keep this short. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't, hit that like button. If you want to subscribe, that's cool. If not, don't worry about it. But anyways, until next time, take it easy. Stay out of trouble. Let's see if I can get this done here. There. Till next time, take it easy. Stay out of trouble. Keep calm. Keep collecting. And keep building. Bye.